Ed Green was next. Sorry, Aaron, you're last.
Yeah, and I certainly appreciate the mayor's diplomacy in addressing some of the questions, but I think I'd like to be a little bit more direct. I find it interesting that we're sitting here talking about traffic impacts when the previous speaker has motions on the table to shut down West 5th and Garth. Not to mention this idea of what a return on investment is. The return on investment is $1 billion. Let's be very clear. In a very simple way, if we're going to continue to have this dialogue at this very superficial, simple way, we're receiving $1 billion. So Hamilton, what is your return on investment? Answer, $1 billion. Pretty good return on investment. And as far as catalysts for citywide transit, I've watched this city council for quite some time, and I've never heard support for our HSR system. So if we want to start getting into a conversation around citywide transit catalysts, like if this is a catalyst for increased citywide transit, I would say absolutely. As soon as that $1 billion investment was made, now everybody all of a sudden is concerned about citywide transit. So to any councillors in future reports or in the minutes, if I could go on officially and say, if you want to start talking about gas tax, if you want to start talking about area rating and citywide transit, I am happy to second your motion. If we want to get serious about what a citywide transit system looks like, let's start there. Let's start with gas tax, let's start with area rating, and let's look at what a true integrated transit system looks like. And when we're talking about, I'm amazed because we get into budget conversations and there's no point of order. Because there is no point of orders. When we get into budget conversations, I want to remind people, we approved a $40 million Flamborough bypass without batting an eye. $40 million bucks. I can tell you that my folks, they're not bypassing Flamborough. So, I'm getting a little bit sensitive about this kind of parochial talk and lots of people, talking about what's good for downtown and having everybody wanting to all of a sudden be the councillors downtown and all that stuff. Let's just call it what it is. This is a huge opportunity with $1 billion return investment. So just like we recognize a $40 million bypass in Flamborough is good for the residents of Flamborough to create a better community, let's recognize the transformational nature of $1 billion investment in this city is a catalyst, massive, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And in fact, I can remember the celebrations at the announcement and certain councillors around this table being present there. So if we're going to, continue down this kind of charade or this facade or this theater of poking holes, then there's going to start being responses. And I'm just going to put that out there right now. Hope that we can work in a collaborative way. We decided to all be in this committee, I thought, to look at next steps and solutions for LRT and not just kind of come in and continue to drag our feet. So those are my statements regarding that. And when the motion comes for expanded transit in the next budget, gas tax and area rating, I'm happy to have that conversation.